have a few things that we want to speak about tonight. It probably won't be a long one tonight, Richard. Yesterday, did you get a chance to watch the race with the Polish athlete Swoboda?
No, right here.
Okay,
Go ahead.
She registered a 6.99, going sub 7 seconds in the 60 meters indoors.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
supersonic.
fast. Yeah, breaking her own world lead again from that 7.00, was it?
Spot on.
Yeah. So now we're looking at an athlete that is what, 25 in July. Fastest time that she ran last year was in the 60 meters was 7:10. So you're looking at a huge improvement.
Vast improvement.
And now in 2022 she's at 6.99. So I'm wondering if this is somebody that would be a threat in the 100 meters. Last year she ran what, 11:20. I saw her ranked, was it 70th or 60th?
Well, the first thing that set my antenna wagging was the 11 point. I mean, to be a factor in the 100 meters women, you need to be minimum sub 11 seconds. So that's a surprising time for her. Look for her to go faster than that, but until then, I don't think Elaine should be losing sleep.
Yeah, I'm not even. I'm more thinking would she be a factor in terms of medals. We are pretty sure that the 60 meters and the 100 meters are a different race. You're going to meet a completely different caliber athletes. You have people like Shelly, Shakari, Sharika out there waiting for her, apart from Elaine. You know what I mean?
Oh, you mean?
I don't see her running, like when I look through her history, I don't see a lot of 100 meters in there. So is it just a matter of her focusing on just this 60 meter thing, or do we expect her to take this performance that she's giving us now? That would probably give her a boost in confidence to try to go to the outdoors and make an impact.
I'd have to say no doubt. I mean, her form thus far this season has been simply stellar, and I think that carrying this, matriculating this type of performance into the 100 meters arena, the extra 40 meters, I think that she would be disappointed if she doesn't break sub 11 seconds for the outdoor season. But only she and her coach will know the plans and preparations in terms of training and the agenda. I'm sure that she's gunning for gold and a minimum of a podium finish come Serbia. But the outdoor season is going to be a big one, and I think that she's well set. Poland don't have many superstars, but she would be considered one of them. As I said, it depends what her and her coach are preparing, but I think she can make a splash, and she'd certainly be one of the leading Polish stars.
I think
for the 100 meters.
Yeah, for the indoors, she's definitely the favorite for that 60 meters.
With no question or hesitation. What's going to happen though? Can she handle the big stage? These are hundredth of a second that we're dealing with. I mean, Elaine may not be there, but she's capable of 7:03. I think Kambunji ran a Swiss record recently, around 7:04. So the final, including the heats, it could be, a low 7 again. And there's 3 or 4 athletes that, America will bring, some heat. They'll bring someone a couple of runners who can touch the 7:04, 7:05. So it's going to be a thrilling final. But Swoboda definitely goes in as the favorite, and my favorite, personally speaking.
Yeah,